magiging isa na lang po sila. Dahil ang isa o dalawa na pinag-isa ng Diyos, walang kahit sino man na makapaghiwalay sa kanila. At ang makapaghiwalay sa kanila is yung kamatayan. That's why we have our saying and motto that till death do us part.
Magkasama kami sa work. Tapos, engineer namin siya. Pag may problema kasi sa machine, lagi namin sila ang tinatawag. Then yun, siguro, nagandahan sa akin.
Just a simple moment in time, can't catch it in the photo, permanently framed in my mind.
Tapos yun, inaya niya ako kumain sa labas. Then doon na po nag-start yung aming love story.
How I never noticed your eyes and all the lovely colors. It's all that I see in my mind. What more can we discover? This strange feeling deep inside. How will I recover all the warmth you bring to my life? I
之
love
前是在公司里面，然后相处久了，然后后续又比较聊得来，所以慢慢的就喜欢上他，然后也比较喜欢跟他相处的感觉。那相处了这几年，发现彼此个性上
How have I never felt this love? Oh, it just seems so simple. Every single time you smile, I wanna kiss your dimples. Makes me feel like such a fool. Keep missing all your signals. I talk to myself in the water, ignoring all the ripples. How can it be your love? How can it be your love? I wanna be your love.
都还蛮契合的，所以才会想我们能够最后再走到一起，结个婚，白头到老。
Siya na talaga yung para sa akin. Yung magmamahal sa akin ng totoo. Gano'n, yun na tayo.
How can I be your love? I wanna be your love. I wanna be your love. How can I be your love? How can I be your love? I wanna be your love. I wanna be your love. How can I be your love? How can I be your love? I wanna be your love. I wanna be your love.
Hindi ko alam na dumating kami sa point na parang nag-aya na siya sa akin kumain sa labas, gano'n. Tapos yun, parang nagkaroon na ako ng feeling sa kanya na hanggang sa yun, tuloy-tuloy na parang gusto ko na siya yung lagi kong kasama. Yung hindi mo maipaliwanag pag kasama mo siya, basta ang alam mo masaya ka lang.
Mahal kita, Nelia.
I'm so happy na dito na yung love of your life. Na nakilala mo na yung papakasalan mo. I'm just so happy for you and I just wanna say na you deserve all the things that's happening to you right now. I love you, Mama.
Now that we're getting together, I promise to love you forever, every day. Oh, I ni pig. See you later. Okay ni kiss.
ang ating bagong kasal, David and Nelia Cho!
Yun po ang ibig sabihin ng pag-ibig na kaya mong mamatay dahil sa iyong minamahal. Yun ang pag-ibig. And hopefully, that both of you and all of us here are willing to die. It is because you feel in love.
Here we
Congrats, Nelia. Kakasal ka na.
like we always
Thank you, Ma.
Nandito
Thank
na
you
ako sa
rin.
part na... Yun lang, thank you.
light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe you're really mine forever. Been rehearsing for this moment all my life.
I do promise to take care of you forever, and I will love you forever.
On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word that I say.
I love you. Believe in me, trust me. 我爱你，相信我。I love you.
Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's revealed, and the story of my life is all about you. Oh, if you feel the cold winds blowing through your nights, I will shelter you. I'm forever here to chase your fears away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word I say. On this I've been rehearsing for
Now that we're getting married and now start our new beginning, I just promise that just to love you. Oh, I
On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here we stand, like God planned. Please say you'll always look at me this way, like
Okay, David, you may now kiss the bride.
on this day.